Welcome to the machine era, where courage meets chaos. Every day, men step into the unknown, risking everything to master machines and nature alike. This is not just work. It's a battlefield. Brace yourself, it starts now.
You can't stop like that. You gotta go, guys. You cannot stop like that, dude.
Shit.
All seemed normal until it wasn't. The tractor rolled forward steady, powerful. Then in a blink, one tire ripped free and launched into the air. That's the kind of danger that comes without warning. He cut the branch without thinking. It fell straight toward him, but luck was on his side. The safety harness saved his life. One moment, it's just another day in the field. The next, a CR 9080 is engulfed in fire. Farming may look simple, but the risks are real, and sometimes devastating. The LKT-81. T doesn't just move logs, it dominates them. But this machine is not for the faint of heart. Only operators with unwavering focus and steel nerves can handle its full force. That moment when the machine started to fall, pure panic. You just know the operator felt the ground vanish beneath him. It could have gone horribly wrong, but fate gave him a pass this time. What a genius design. On land, it's a car. On water, it becomes a boat. Two worlds, one machine. This makes the Trackler shuttle look like a toy. It towers above everything, crushing through swamp terrain like it owns the place. We can only dream of piloting a monster like this. Battle-scarred, road-worn. The Grunabauer 40 was more than just a machine. It was a warrior. And now, after all it's been through, it rests. A job well done by the earthworkers. These silos were dug with flawless precision. A true testament to skill, patience, and pride in the craft.
Jetzt neigt sich, jetzt fällt Satan Ziege. Der liegt unten.
Cutting trees near high-voltage lines. One wrong move could have ended it all. Thankfully, nothing happened this time. But not everyone gets that lucky. The car was going way too fast. No time to react. And it slammed straight into the front of the tractor. Speed and steel don't mix. No way you saw that coming? The truck didn't back up. It sank. Right into the ground. And thank the heavens, the guy nearby walked away unharmed. It wasn't just brute force. It was coordination at its finest. The 637 ECAT didn't just pull, it listened. And together, man and machine brought that excavator back to life.
Who's your daddy, bitch? Who's your...
The footage is terrifying. A bulldozer gone rogue. It makes you realize how quickly things can go wrong, and why safety procedures matter every second. Oh man, that's a serious amount of water. If that oil gets contaminated, we're in big trouble. This isn't just a mess, it's a potential disaster. I have no idea how he ended up down there, but thank God he's okay. That could have gone very wrong. Risky, foolish, nearly fatal. That move was a mistake. And mistakes like that don't give second chances. He's lucky. This time,
Shit.
Why are you so... Oh,
Фольксваген гребаный.
бля, все.
the boat was just too heavy, and the crane couldn't handle it. It tipped, lost balance, and went down with the load. A dangerous reminder of why weight limits matter. No idea how that truck reversed like that, but somehow it sparked an oil burst. Thank goodness the rescue team got there just in time. Terrifying, the truck lost its brakes and slammed straight into the toll booth. Seconds made the difference between survival and tragedy. Chainsaw in hand, machine at his side. It takes both man and metal to bring down a giant. Precision meets raw power.
All right, everybody.
I honestly have no idea how he's going to put all that back together, but I'd love to see him try. Snowplows might not get much attention, but in a harsh winter like this, they're true lifesavers. Clearing paths, keeping roads safe, one storm at a time. I can't help but admire the courage of the workers who take on such dangerous missions. They face risks so we can stay safe, and that deserves our deepest respect. It all happened in the blink of an eye, but luckily, no one was inside the truck, and everyone made it out safe. A close call with a happy ending.
切下下。
Look at that cloud of dust. Whatever that was must have taken years to build and only seconds to fall.
Vamos ter que achar uma solução aí. Não está entendendo, segundo informação. Tá? Aí o planejamento do brasileiro é uma coisa bem interessante. Então está acontecendo.
If you enjoyed these amazing moments, please give us a like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest from forestry technology. Thank you so much.